roomies, welcome back to my channel. And for today's Cooking Wednesday, I do have a surprise recipe. I've never made this before. This is my first time, so I hope it comes out well. For today's ingredients, what we're using is, I have here already cut up bell peppers, green onions, and andouille sausage. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oops. Basil, canned tomatoes. I have skinless, boneless chicken thighs already seasoned from yesterday. Bay leaves, okra, and chicken broth. So before we're going to get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when my videos have been uploaded. Let's get right into the cooking. Okay, so right now in this pot I have my gravy mixing, the cut up vegetables. I'm going to go ahead and add the sausage, okra, mix it in some more. The chicken thighs, I'm adding 4. We're going to add the tomatoes. And we're going to add some chicken bouillon. Hopefully y'all know what that is. Add your bay leaf. I'm going to add 2. Two good sized ones. So here's one. And there's another one. And then last but not least, we are going to add our basil. So with the basil, you are going to add, I'm not measuring, but add like 2 tablespoons. I lied, 2 teaspoons. Let it go some more. And we're going to let this cook. And I will be right back with you in 5 hours. So roomies, this was my first try at some gumbo. I think I did really well. It came out good. But we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in my next one. Bye.